Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So Ehsan Yasin here. So today I'll discuss about how much YouTube does pay for 1000 views in 2021. So basically there's a term called CPC or CPM. CPC basically means the amount of money that you get for every click on certain ad, and CPM is basically the abbreviation of cost per mile, where mile stand for 1000 views, cost per 1000 views. Each time you paid when your ad reaches the mark, the more views the ad you get, the more money you earn. Basically, however, it's not this simple. You won't receive 100% of the promised revenue. YouTube takes a lion's share of 45%, so that you get only 55 out of $100. For example, that it's not a reason to give up, but to try to provide as many views as possible. Keep in mind that the platform will mark a view only if an advertising video has been watched for longer than 30 seconds. The views that are made from mobile gadgets are also meaningless. Besides, you can use YouTube's special calculator to predict your potential income and see the real picture. So here is some comparison between the CPM and RPM. CPM is a numerical definition to reflect the income that you share with YouTube, and RPM is revenue per mile. So basically RPM is used to calculate your personal income considering the platform retention. So the amount of CPM is directly proportional to RPM. Both metrics are important to assess your future profit. However, CPM is of great meanings for advertisers, and RPM is also crucial for creators. So CPM in the world of YouTube, to assess the efficiency of advertising campaign, YouTube use stats and formula. CPM is a keystone of measurement and a foundation for further tests and conclusions. So let's scroll it down. Here is some comparison between CPM and RPM that I discussed earlier. For example, you earned $200 for last month and managed to get 50,000 views. So 200 divided by 50,000 is almost $4 you will get. About 4,000 views you will get $4 revenue. So it is basically challenge to calculate CPM YouTube and rates because of its instability. The rates jumps up and down all the time during the year. Mostly of the following factors determine the cost: audience type, which type of audience your videos has been watched by, which type of audience, inventory, niche, content, and country. So YouTube is not going to inform you about your possible RPM value, but one can handle this independently. For example, let's open settings in your AdSense account to check the payments. Look at the number for the last month, enter YouTube analytics to see the number of views at that monetized playbacks, and then use the following formula that I already told you to calculate your revenue at the end of the month. So how to find out CPM for your channel? So it depends upon 4 to 5 things: audience type, I already told you, inventory, niche, content, and country. And how to increase your CPM of your channel? CPM rates crashes and the situation becomes disappointing. This may happen because of the absence of due work with your audience. For example, if your followers are located in the Middle East, you can hardly expect high earning for advertising swimming suits. In any case, there is no need to discuss reasons for decreasing CPM rates, but it's better to reveal how to enhance them. So let's scroll a little bit down. So I already told you how to increase CPM of your channel. So how to increase number of monetized view: create unique original content, attract the followers by natural means, get traffic, and then publish the respectable content, keep your channels active all the time. And what are the CPM rates, and depending on the country? So basically the 4 countries with premium rate. The list of the countries with the highest YouTube advertising CPM are rather stable, but some countries trade place from year to year. So here are the leaders: Canada, New Zealand, Australia, UK, Austria, Germany, and Switzerland. So they are the countries that give high CPM of your YouTube. So is the CPM only the way to monetize your channel? There are more ways of getting money from your channel if ads are not attractive to you. So let's scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see, yeah, these are the countries list that I already told you that have high CPM values. And CPM rates depending on the type